Morning, everybody. It's 8:35 on this Tuesday morning, February 27th. Okay, this is your pre-opening comment video number 2087. Asia slightly higher. Europe is just mixed. And as far as our markets go, we are sharply unchanged. Um, we had durable goods orders. They were due to come in at down about 5%. They actually came in down 6.1%, which is pretty extreme. Ex transportation, they were down 3 tenths. Expectation was only for down 3.5 tenths. And ex aircraft, they were down point 0.3. Um, Steve Leisman was just talking about it, and basically, this is a Boeing issue. On the aircraft side, they got zero orders in the month, and that's understandable with what's been going on there. Okay, chart on the screen is Bitcoin. Um, I'm thinking that I'm going to get short this possibly today, possibly early today. I looked at this measured move off this big break to the upside and to 2 weeks lower, down about 11,500. I take that and I add it to the low. I double it and I add it to the low. And I come up with a measured move of about 58 to 59,000. This morning's high, 58,260. I'm probably going to play the BIT. I believe let me just check. It is BITI. That's the short Bitcoin, and I'm probably going to be in the March 15th, 10 or maybe 9 calls. It's trading 951, down 42 cents. So we'll have to see what the options look like once they actually start to trade. Okay, we had a bunch of earnings this morning. Macy's, which beat by 47 cents, and inline revenues, guides in line, revenues in line, etc. The stock is 1914. That's down 16 cents. Lowe's beat. The stock is up 51 cents at 231 and change. Really nothing there. Last night we had Unity Software. It was weak, as I mentioned to you, but it had been trading 27 and change, and now it's trading 28, down 5. So that's pretty much in line. Big winner last night was Zoom, ZM, up about 10.5%, 69.73, up 661. Workday went the other way, even though it beat, reported in line, reaffirmed subscription revenue guidance, and is acquiring something called Hired Score, which is an AI uh, talent orchestration solutions. I'm not sure what that actually means. Dillard's department store also beat by about $3, 425.79, down 784 or 1.4. AutoZone beat 2863, up 92, which is 3.3%. And Coinbase is higher again, back over 200, 208 and change, up 14, just basically trading on the Bitcoin move. Smucker, JM Smucker, 129 of 375. They beat by 21 cents. That's a pretty defensive stock. Um, Probably don't want to see a lot of action there. And Norwegian Cruise, 16.95, up $1 to 6.4 cents, and that's on a miss on earnings, a beat on revenue, and decent guidance for both the quarter and the full fiscal year. Okay, as far as the futures go, NASDAQ is now up about 44. The Dow is still down about 16, and the S&P was up about $2. So it's pretty quiet. S&P is now up $3, so nothing overwhelming. All right, folks, have a good day. Be careful out there. And that Bitcoin trade that I mentioned, that's a rough one. I mean, you almost have to figure it to be, binary, that it goes one way or the other, and you're either going to lose 100% or you're going to make a couple of 100%. Have a good one.